Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to search for entry-level jobs on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the job search features and personalized recommendations that Glassdoor offers. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll notice a navigation menu there. Click on Jobs to access the main job search interface. This is where you'll be able to filter and find opportunities that match your career level and interests. Now you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and enter the specific job title or position you're looking for. This could be anything from software developer to marketing coordinator, whatever aligns with your career goals and interests. Being specific here helps narrow down the results to roles that are actually relevant to you. Right beside the job title search bar, you'll find another field for location. Enter your city, state, or zip code here. This ensures that the job listings you see are within your preferred geographic area, making your search much more practical and targeted. Next to the location field, you'll see a filter icon. Click on it to open up additional filtering options. This is where you can really refine your search to match exactly what you're looking for, and it's essential for finding entry-level positions specifically. In the filter menu that appears, look for seniority levels and click on it to expand that section. Once it expands, you'll see various experience level options. Go ahead and click on entry level. This filter is crucial because it eliminates senior and mid-level positions from your results, showing you only the jobs that are appropriate for someone just starting their career. After selecting entry-level, click the Apply Filters button. This will refresh your search results and show you only the entry-level positions that match your job title and location criteria. The system will take a moment to process these filters and update the listings accordingly. Once the page reloads, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of all the available entry-level jobs that match your search parameters. These listings will include job titles, company names, locations, and brief descriptions to help you identify opportunities that interest you. Click on any job that catches your eye to view more details. This will open up the full job posting where you can check the job requirements and qualifications. Reading through these carefully helps you understand if you're a good fit for the position and what skills or experience the employer is looking for. And that's it. You've now filtered Glassdoor to show only entry-level positions in your field and location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.